Are the doors at your storage facility faded, oxidized, discolored, and just old-looking? Do they leave chalk on your customers' hands and belongings? Are you losing business to your competitors because your doors make your facility look old and outdated? Faded doors are a universal problem in the storage industry. Having a clean and fresh-looking facility is the key to curb appeal and your customers' first impressions of your business. The Everbrite Restoration System is the smart choice in door restoration. Everbrite restores your door's original color and luster, making your doors look brand new again. Everbrite is a clear coating and will work on any color door. Everbrite is ready to use, with no complicated mixing, no masking or taping off the surrounding surfaces. Everbrite also protects metal buildings, signs, and gates against sun fading, salt air, acid rain, and other damaging elements. You can do the work with your own team or hire an Everbrite certified contractor to complete the work for you. Either way, Everbrite is the economical answer to restoring your faded and oxidized doors to attract new customers and protect your investment.